Okay, adding mixed numbers is just like adding fractions. The most important thing is that they have common denominators. They have to have like units or you can't add them. We have the first one here has two improper fractions. We have 4/3 and we have 7/5. One is thirds, one is fifths, so we can't do that. We have to have a common denominator. Remember, you can list them if you need to. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5, 10, 15. Oh, there's our match, 15. So we're going to turn them both into 15ths. Three will turn into 15 by multiplying by 5. So we do the same thing at the top. Numerator, 4 times 5 is 20. 5 will turn into 15 by multiplying by 3. We do the same thing at the top. 3 times 7 is 21. Now when we add 20 fifteenths plus 21 fifteenths would be 41 fifteenths. Now that's an improper fraction, so we don't want to leave our answer like that. We want to make it into a mixed number. So how many times will 15 go into 41? Let's see, 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45, so it's going to go 2 whole times. So 41 divided by 15 gives me 2 with 11 left over. So it's going to be 2 wholes with 11 fifteenths left over. 2 and 11 fifteenths. Now that was improper fractions, but you can also do mixed numbers. And with mixed numbers, you can kind of just pretend that those whole numbers aren't there until you're finished with the fractions, and then you can go back and get them. So I'm going to hide them. No whole numbers. Now we just have fractions. That's easy to look at. So with my fractions, I need common denominators, 4 and 8. I think I can do that without listing them because I can turn a 4 into an 8. So that would be my easiest way to go. So if I want this to be eighths, I'm going to have to multiply by 2. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, so it won't change my value, still be equivalent. 6/8 plus 3/8, that would be 9/8. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now 9/8 is an improper fraction. So how many times will 8 go into 9? 1 whole time with 1 left over, 1 and 1/8. But I'm not finished because I have to go back and get my whole numbers now. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. So I'm going to add that 13 to what I had originally. 13 plus 1 is 14. So my final answer is 14 and 1/8. So when you're doing mixed numbers, you can just do the fractions and then go back and get your whole numbers in the end. But make sure you go back and look for a reasonable answer. We've got a little over 6 plus a little over 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. So we know our answer's got to be more than 13, but in that ballpark region. So yeah, 14 and 1/8, that's in the ballpark. So that's a good solid answer.